All right, Tesla fam, let's talk about why your Tesla has a 12-volt battery. Even though Teslas are electric cars, they still need a 12-volt battery to power up the smaller systems in the vehicle, like the lights, radio, windows, and even your door locks. These systems aren't powered directly by the main high voltage battery because they need a more stable, low voltage source to function properly. Now, here's the cool part: the FH 12-volt battery also helps keep the main battery safe. It powers the DC-DC converter, which steps down the high voltage from your Tesla's main battery to power the 12-volt systems. This is a great way to keep everything running smoothly while preserving the life of your bigger battery. It's important to note that, even though the 12-volt battery doesn't directly power the car's drive systems, if it fails, it can still cause issues, like locking you out of the car, or affecting things like charging and the car's ability to start. So, while your main battery powers your Tesla's driving range, the 12-volt battery ensures all the smaller systems work seamlessly together. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.